Good evening, everyone. We are going to learn about warehousing and storekeeping. I'm going to share to you the screen. Our first subtopic, introduction to our warehousing. We have some terms to define. One is where, which refers to goods, merchandise, or commodities that are stored or traded. It can also be used as suffix in certain words related to goods such as hardware or software. Secondly, we have warehouse. A warehouse is a large, spacious facility or building used for the storage of goods, usually in large quantity. Warehouses are essential components of supply chains and logistics, providing a centralized location for storing, managing, and distribution products. Warehousing is the process of storing goods in a warehouse. It involves activities such as receiving, storing, organizing, dispatching goods as needed. We have types of warehouses. Yet kindly read for us the first type of a warehouse.
Okay, we have a public warehouse where it's operated by third-party logistics providers and offer storage and distribution services to multiple businesses. Companies can rent space and services as needed, making it cost-effective option for those who do not require a dedicated facility. Thank you.
Thank you, Ngetich. We have the second type of a warehouse, which is private warehouse. Private warehouses are owned and operated by a single company to exclusively store its own products. This type of a warehouse provides complete control over storage and distribution process. That warehouse, we have distribution center. This refers to facilities especially designed for efficiently receiving, processing, and shipping of goods to retailers or end customers. They often play a central role in a supply chain, helping to streamline the distribution process. We have factors to consider in designing a warehouse. Daniel, can you read us the first factor to consider?
The first factors to consider is space utilization. You need to determine the storage capacity required and plan the layout to maximize the use of the available space. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. We have the second factor as the inventory management. We have to consider the type of storage system needed for different products and implement a logical organization system. Lillian, read us the second factor.
Okay, there is security. Implemented security measures, including surveillance systems, access control, secure entry points to protect inventory from theft or damages.
Thank you, Lillian. We have accessibility. Plan for easy access to goods for picking and shipping. Ensure that the loading docks are strategically located and design the flow layout to minimize congestion and bottlenecks. The next factor to consider is material handling equipment. Choose the appropriate material handling equipment, such as forklifts, conveyors, and pallet jacks, based on the nature of the products and the layout of the warehouse. Ensure that aisles and doorways are wide enough for smooth movement. Thank you for your cooperation and welcome next for our lesson. That's the end of our lesson. Have a blessed evening. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Bye. Good evening too.
Bye.